Alright guys, today we're transplanting
golden POTHOS plants.
Alright guys, as you can see they are already ready. They're already overdue. They're very long, the roots.
Alright guys, so we went ahead and did the cutting process and pruned these. So these are cuttings, and the easiest method is putting them in water vases. So as you can see, roots have came out. So this means it is ready for transplanting.
Be putting the dirt on these pots right here. We already made holes so that water could go through. Alright, let's go.
Okay, so here we got the dirt.
We're putting the dirt. There we go. Yeah. Let's go, let's go.
Faster.
There you go, not too full.
Ahí está. Too full?
I think that's
enough.
I think that's good, yeah. Let's put the other. Alright guys, now that the dirt is put right here, we're gonna take apart these bundles. Oh shit. So we can start planting them. Just set them down, hey. There you go, yeah. Now we're gonna put 3 of these in here so it can look nice. Alright guys, change of plans. It looked like shit. So we're putting 4 now. I gotta close it. It's because 3 looks like shit, so now we gotta change. Oh fuck. Okay. Looks like shit. Looks like
Wait.
shit.
No. Just bunch them up así, stack them like together arriba, I guess.
No se puede, they're long.
Yeah. Let's wrap them up. Con esta. Oh, no traigo, what the fuck? Ah, aquí está. Yeah. This one's... Close the bajo este. Aquí. Ahí.
It's long.
It would have been good ahí. It would have been good. Ahí está. There you go. It looks cool.
Yeah.
It looks good ahí. Mira, let me take a picture.
Alright guys, it looks like shit. We did it. Let's go. I gotta do all of them. Alright, we figured out the method. We're gonna be putting all of them bunched up together because this is first attempt and
Maybe it's just because of the dirt. No tiene enough dirt y se mira.
Alright guys, it's all set. Look at this shit right here. There you go. We're still gotta fix them though. But you get the concept already. Alright guys, there you go. We're done. Look at this shit. Alright, it's over guys.
Alright.
Do the outro.
We're done.